tangent and normal. So this is the curve and this is the line. This line touch this curve at a single point P. So that's why this line is a tangent for this curve at the point P. As we know, at a single point only one tangent we can draw on the curve, and this another line is perpendicular on this tangent. So this line, perpendicular line, is known as normal of the curve at point P. So now we will calculate slope of this line. The slope of this line we will calculate after differentiating dy over dx is the derivative of the curve, and after that we put coordinates of point P in the derivative. In this way we get the slope of the tangent. For the equation of the tangent for the curve y equal to fx at point x1 x2 is y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. So in place of m we put dy over dx at p. So this derivative shows the slope. So that's why in place of slope we put dy over dx at p. So this is the equation of the tangent. Slope of the normal. The normal is perpendicular on the tangent. That's the slope of the normal will be negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent. So this will be equal to minus 1 upon dy over dx at p. So this is the negative of the slope of the reciprocal of the slope of the tangent. The equation of the normal at the point P will be y minus y1. So in place of slope we will put slope of the normal here, x minus x1. In this way we calculate the equation of the normal. Now algorithm to find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve y equal to fx at a point. So first of all obtain the point of contact. This is important point. First of all we find out the point of contact if it is not given, and after that we calculate derivative of the given curve dy over dx, and third step we put the coordinates of the point in dy over dx. In this way we get the slope of the tangent, and now find the equation of tangent and normal using the formulas. Orthogonal curves. The orthogonal curves are the curves if the two curves intersect at right angle. If the two curves intersect at right angles, then the curves are cut or called orthogonally, and the curves are orthogonal curves. So if the curves cut orthogonally, then we have slope of the product is minus 1. m1 m2 equal to minus 1. So now we take some examples. Find the slope of the tangent and normal to the curve x square plus 3y plus y square equals to 5 at the point 1 1. So first of all we differentiate the given curve, and after differentiation we have 2x plus 3y 3 dy over dx plus 2y dy over dx equal to 0. So we calculate dy over dx, it comes minus 2x upon 2y plus 3. So this is the slope of the curve. Now calculate the slope at the tangent, slope of the tangent. For calculating the slope of the tangent we put the tangential point, that is 1 1 in dy over dx. In this way we get the slope of the tangent. So after putting 1 1 in place of x or y we have minus 2 upon 5. This is the slope of the tangent. And now slope of the normal is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent, and it comes 5 upon 2. Now another example we are considering. Find the points on the curve y equal to 2x square minus 6x minus 4 at which the tangent is parallel to x-axis. So first of all we differentiate the curve, and tangent is parallel to the x-axis. So we know the slope of the x-axis is 0. So that's why slope of the tangent will be also 0. So now differentiate the given curve, and its derivative comes 4x minus 6 equal to 0. So its derivative comes 4x minus 6, and derivative is equal to 0. So that's why we put this one equal to, we get x equal to 3 upon 2. Now we put the value of x in the given curve. In the given curve, we put the value of x, that is 3 upon 2. We get the value of y. It comes minus 17 upon 2. So that's why required point is 3 upon 2 minus 17 upon 2 is the tangent to the curve parallel to the x-axis. So this is the point where the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. So another example. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve minus 5x square plus 6x plus 7 at the point 1 upon 2 comma 35 upon 4. So first of all, differentiate the given curve and we get dy over dx. It comes minus 10x plus 6. And now put the point of contact in this dy over dx. So in this way we get the slope of the tangent. After putting the value of the point, we get 1. So this is the slope of the tangent. And now equation of the tangent formula, we know y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. So we put value of y1 here and value of x1 here and value of slope here. After calculation, we have 4x minus 6y plus 33 minus 4x minus 4y plus 33 equal to 0. This is the final equation of the tangent. Thank you.